Alpha Centauri is the closest star system to our planet and may host worlds unlike anything we've ever seen. Scientists believe some planets there could have rocky surfaces, powerful storms, and extreme environments. Some researchers even think liquid water could exist on certain worlds orbiting these nearby stars. Some research is enormous. Even traveling at incredible speeds, reaching these worlds remains a huge challenge. Future technology could send advanced probes to explore these distant planets for signs of life. The search has already begun, and the closest alien world may be waiting to reveal its secrets. The search has already begun.
Welcome to Zentora. Let's explore the unknown. Dive into a world of fascinating discoveries, from space mysteries to ancient history. Subscribe now and reveal the secrets